I think everyone joined. Yeah. Everyone able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So now you can observe in the design part, you can observe just how many users executing, you can observe here 10 users. I'm just here assigned for the 10 users, like 10 users. And duration, nothing but how much duration I want to execute this test. Just I given for the 2 minutes test. You can click on OK. And now you can observe after design is completed, we need to execute the test. Just you can click on run button. This is the, you can observe, this is the script and we are executing with the 10 users. This is the start scenario, means you can start execution, means you can click on this start scenario. Now you can observe here test is started. You can observe test is executing. You can observe here it is now 10 seconds completed our test. A total users is running 10 users, and you can see for the everything here. And pass transactions means how many pass transaction happening. Transaction nothing but launch, login, pet, this all will be can consider it as a transaction. So during the test, maybe you are executing 1 hour. No need to do anything, just you should monitor for this window only, like how many users we are executing, how many pass transaction, how many failed transaction happening, what is the errors we are getting, any errors, any failed errors transactions we are getting. So you should monitor this, all these. Okay, now all 10 users will be running. You can open this and we have the show user will be there. You can open this and we are able to see the all users what they are doing. Means you can observe I am doing for the 10 users. 10 users also 10 windows will open. You can observe 10 windows will be open like this and it will execute. Real time what will happen? We have everyone will be Facebook. Everyone will be credential is different. Everyone will open different browser, right? Same way here also is doing like this. 10 users will be executing. So now you can observe 10 users will be execute like this. So one person will be some different. So you can observe some one person doing for different things they are performing. So means real time how it is behavior is going, same way it is going for here also. So like this, it is a 10 users will be execute for the 2 minutes time. Like this means again and again they will book the pet. Now you can observe we don't have any errors. Pass transaction will be 50 and total test is completed for the 2 minutes 18 seconds for now. Now you can observe all users gradual existing status means it is a stop our test. After end of this stop will come, your test will be finished. So you should just nothing you can do here. Just you can design the scenario, how many users you are executing, you can design, and how much duration you want to execute the test, and come to the run, just click on start scenario and you need to execute this test. Okay, you can observe still it is the execution is going. You can observe this is the 304 seconds it's happening. Now you can observe stopping users. One user will be stopped, your test will be finished. So total positive transaction will be 100, 110 happen. Now we want to analyze the results. So this is the controller, right? Final one more component is the analyzer. So we can open here also results. Click on analyze results means current results will be launched. You can click on this. So this is the final one. So first we did for the virtual user generator, just we recorded script, and after that we are executed with the multiple users, and after that we are analyzing the results. 10 user point of view, results will be how it is going. You need to analyze these things. So everything will be tool based only, and that's to we are not writing any code also. Okay. Now you can observe we are able to see that everything is the low results will be generating. Now you can observe this is the time executed 3 minutes 8 seconds, and total maximum running users means how many users you are executed the test. 10 users executed. Main thing we need to concentrate for the what means this is the transactions. You can observe transactions. So what you are given names, right? You can observe login. Okay, after that login, click pet, and after that, so this transaction average 10 users, what is the average response time? We can call it as this is the response time. Now we can observe 0.755 milliseconds happen, and after that click on pet 0.15 happen. After click on pet, what we are doing, we are selecting the product. Selecting the product, what will happen? 0.221 milliseconds. And after that, select the product, what we are doing, we are adding the cart. You can observe how much response time is happen, 0.608. So these transactions we need to send to the our team. So just you can copy these results. Okay. We can copy up to this is enough for us only. Okay, we'll copy entire results up to this. Okay, and can open for the any Excel. See, now we can copy and paste it. So now you can observe this is the each and every transaction name. Now you need to set for the as per your transaction. So what is the first transaction? Login is first transaction, right? Can control X, and you can put for the starting as a this one. So means you need set for the as per our requirement. Otherwise we can set here one by one. This is the first one, and after that click on next, click on pet. You can control X. I can do for the next one is click on pet, and after click on pet, what is that our we need to selecting for the product, right? You are selecting the product. And after selecting the product, what you are doing, you are add to the cart. Add to the cart. After add to cart, what you are doing, you need to continue the, you are continuing. And after continue, what you are doing, you need to proceed to checkout. We are doing for the proceed to checkout. So means step by step what we are doing as a application, right? Same way we are setting here, and you can observe logout is a final run. So now we are set everything. Now you can observe this is the results. This is the name, we can call it as a transactions. Transactions. This is the minimum, average, maximum. So this is enough for us. No need for this. Okay. Just delete. Now you can observe for actual our SLA I told, right? SLA nothing but actually if it is a 100 users or 10 users, don't cross for the 2 seconds is our SLA. SLA nothing but is the client is given. If you don't any transaction, don't cross for the more than 2 seconds. Now you can observe average 10 users average anywhere it is crossed for the more than 2 seconds. No, right? So if it is this results good, then you can send this report to our client or our teammate. We can send this, then our work will be finished. Our work will be finished. Maybe assume this continue will be, it is happen for the 3.063. Assume you are executed, some 100 users are okay, assume 100 users you are executed. One transaction is happened for the 3.603 seconds. Actually, client told only 2 seconds, but we are crossing more than that. But client is not accept these results because it is one transaction is high also, he will not accept. So that is why what is our approach? If it is less than 2 seconds, then we can directly send report to, then our job will be finished. Maybe it is more than that, then we need to dig the issue. Why that transaction happened more than 2 seconds? We need to check for the why the particular transaction happened more than 3 seconds. What is the issue? Maybe CPU memory is not sufficient. Okay, you can go to the here, you can observe during the test we should monitor for the CPU memory also. So you can observe, you can just I'm showing for this. Okay, your understanding point of view. You can go to the hello. So here you can observe CPU is 48%. You can observe here CPU 40%, memory is 73%. Means CPU memory is good, because if it is more than 80% is only CPU memory is not good for the particular 100 user load. But CPU memory is good, means there is no issue with the CPU and memory. There is no issue with the CPU and memory. Next point, okay, CPU memory is not good, then we can test with the application side. Application side, any issues will be there, not there, you can check. Maybe application side is fine. Then you can check for the network point of view. So network point of also good. Then we can check with the database. So means like this you can find, okay, we find as a one database, one core is taking high response time, particular this continue place. So that is why your transaction is high. Then what we can do, we find that query, and this will be, we can send to the DB team. We have the each and every separate, we have the separate team will be there. CPU memory means we have the like some configuration team will be there. And application side and the network side, development team. And database side, we have the database team. So if you face any issue, we are not resolved. As a performance tester, we need to identify the issue only. So we need to ask for the DB team. Could you please rewrite that query? We are getting for the high response time. Then their side, they will check and they will, okay, we did. Then again, you need to check. Then after that, your test is completed. You got for the some 0.6303. Then your results will be good. Then you need these results you can send to your team. So this is the way we can do for our end-to-end performance testing. Now we can observe everyone. So what we did, we can discuss, okay, and we can close, okay, for today's Sunday also, right? So I'm not disturbed for everyone. So now just we'll discuss and we can close. So now what we did, first of all, any application we can record. Where we can recording using for the virtual user generator. So means just we record the script. So we have the PestStore application will be there. We are recorded. Just your recording is completed. That script you want to execute actual performance testing means what? You want to execute multiple users, 100 users, or 1,000 users, 20,000, 1 lakh users. You can test. Where we are testing in controller. So controller, what you are doing? Just you can go to the controller. Just what you are doing, you are designing the scenario, like how many users you want, how much duration you want to execute. That's it in design. Run part, what you are doing, just you can click on this start scenario button. You are waiting for the until this test is completed. You should monitor for the until this test completed. After test is completed, we need to analyze the results. Like we are executed 10 users, average response time of each and every transaction, we are meeting our SLA. SLA nothing but 2 seconds. So we are meeting SLA or not, we are not checking. We are good, then we are directly this report will send to our team. Maybe if you're not good, we need to check the points like what is the issue. It is a CPU memory issue or application, network, database, we can check. So this is the way we can do for our end-to-end performance testing. So anyone, any doubts regarding this?
సార్ నాకు ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది. స్టార్టింగ్ లో మనం URL అని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోమన్నారు కదా,
అవునవును, ఎస్.
ఆ URL అనేది క్లయింట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాడా లేకపోతే
our teammates or client will provide URL, they will provide, and I said the username, password, everything they will only provide, because we are not get anywhere, right? So
okay sir,
because this is the free tool, right? We know for the application, that is why we are using. But in real time, you are doing for the some ICICI bank application, means they only give for the some different URL for your point of view only.
okay
they
sir.
will not give for the real time application URL, because that URL already using for the some customers, right? If you give that one,
okay,
you are doing testing that application, their application issues will come. So that is why what they can do means they will give for the different URL for testing point of view.
అండ్ ఇంకో థింగ్ ఏంటంటే SLA టైం అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నారు కదా సార్, 2 seconds అని చెప్పేసి. ఆ SLA టైం అనేది
SLA time also we need to ask for the client only.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Yeah,
thank you sir.
So you do one thing, you don't need any things, or everything we need to gather from the client or our team only.
Okay sir.
Even these business steps will be there, right? You can observe.
Yeah, yes sir.
Even these business steps also we need to ask for our teammates or client.
Okay sir.
Because you don't know, right? What is their application?
Yes,
what are the things they are doing? You don't know. Means we need to ask
Yes,
for
sir.
these all details.
Yes sir, okay sir.
And as same to this load also will be there. 100 users, I told example. This load
Yes,
also,
sir.
how many users you want to execute, you need to ask for them.
Okay sir,
Okay.
thank you sir.
So anyone, any doubts regarding today class, you can ask me. And tomorrow onwards will be regular classes will be start. Okay, I will inform for the timings. Okay, and same to the one more thing, who is interested, right? Tomorrow onwards or day after tomorrow onwards only we can keep your resumes in the market, and we can start our jobs also, job trials also.
So what is the
Okay,
time
sir.
of the class?
Sorry,
Sir, what is the time of class?
timings.
Tomorrow what time class started?
So your voice is breaking, so could you please repeat?
Tomorrow what is the class timings, sir?
Class timings, morning timings. Okay, 9 to 10.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Morning 9 to 10. Okay, I'm confirmed,
Okay.
but that is depends on the your everyone availability also. I will check and I will confirm for the timings. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay. So anyone interested, you can join for the tomorrow onwards classes, and as same to the everyone will keep resume and we can start our trials also. If anyone
Yeah,
any
sure.
doubts, you can call me. Okay, and you can discuss with me. We'll do that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow also, and
Yeah.
we'll continue our class.
Thank
Yeah,
you sir.
okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you ping that record session in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah. It's a video, right? You were asking?
Yes, record session.
Yeah. Sure. I will send. Okay, no worry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.